Soraya works in the beauty industry and came from the United States to Renovo Skin Clinic to check her skin condition and treat reoccurring acne areas on her face. The first step when undergoing a consultation is to have your face scanned into the testing system to determine your current skin condition and future problem areas. This kind of testing is vital to see what is the root of the problems and determining the treatment plan. In Soraya's case, Agnes treatment in combination with Aqua Peel were recommended. This video will focus on Agnes and how to get rid of acne forever. What is Agnes Acne treatment? Agnes is the latest laser treatment for acne in Korea. Our skin has thousands of sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands produce an oil called sebum, which helps keep your skin moist. Sebaceous glands are located next to individual hairs in sebaceous follicles. The hormones that can cause body changes at puberty also cause sebaceous glands to produce more oil even after puberty. If this oil mixes with dead skin cells and blocks a pore, it can produce a pimple. Agnes will selectively destroy individual problematic glands, leaving other healthy glands untouched. Is this treatment permanent? Yes. The treatment is a long-term cure for acne, with a low acne reoccurrence rate. Apart from that, side effects are very minimal, making this treatment safe for pregnancy and breastfeeding mothers. This treatment is performed over a 2-day period. For people with severe acne, 2 to 3 Agnes treatments are needed to fully cure them. For people who have mild acne or blackhead issues, 1 session should suffice to solve your skin problems. What is the cost of Agnes Acne treatment? Treatments depend on the severity of your acne and your skin condition. We will need to make a treatment plan after you undergo the skin test and meet with the doctor. However, a price estimate can be made if you submit your date of birth, photos of your face without makeup or filter, and tell us which areas you have acne problems with. Although you won't get an exact price, you can get an idea of about how much it will be. This treatment is an investment in yourself.
Always been one of my main concerns. It started last year. I started to see that this side I got all those dark spots, and then I saw that it started moving to this side too. I started using sunscreen, but I knew that it wasn't enough. And plus, when you use serums for brightening and things like that, you know that they're not going to take you to nowhere.
What is the treatment process? Numbing cream is applied for about 30 minutes. Your problem areas will be then drained with extraction. This is done manually, and all the pus, unwanted substances, and blackheads are removed. This part of the treatment is very labor-intensive for the skin clinic. Depending on your case, it can take anywhere from just a few minutes to 1.5 hours. There will be slight swelling and slight redness for people with sensitive skin, but many cases don't experience this. One by one, the unwanted materials from inside the pimple area are removed. Although this part of the procedure looks painful, it is not. On a pain scale of 1 to 10, most patients rate it a 1 or a 2. The next step is done by machine. The entire face will have all dead skin cells and excess unwanted substances vacuumed away to prepare the face for the Agnes laser. This part does not hurt one bit. Once the face is prepared, the doctor will draw circles around the acne areas to be treated with an easy-to-remove white marker. The marker is safe for use on the skin. The doctor will then use the Agnes laser. Tiny electrical bursts of energy zap the diseased pores through a fine wire one at a time. The numbing cream will help, but this is a medical treatment and you may experience minor shocks. Make sure you hold still and let the doctor work. In Soraya's case, there were only a few areas which needed to be done. However, we have had many patients which have required the entire face to be done over 1 to 1.5 hours. The results are immediate. Once the treated area is done, the diseased sebaceous gland no longer exists. Thus, it cannot produce more oil, leading to more acne. How much does it hurt? Soraya was great and barely flinched. The treatment feels like tiny zaps of electricity, even with the numbing cream. On a scale of 1 to 10, it is often rated a 4 or a 5. What do you do the next day when you return? The next day, it is compulsory to return to the clinic to undergo radiofrequency treatment, with full face drainage to clear the remaining debris from the initial treatment. The process is fairly quick, with the entire treatment taking less than half an hour usually. It is best if you don't wear makeup for up to 3 days after the treatment, but if you must, you can wear light makeup the following day. The doctor will most likely prescribe specialized cleansers, toners, creams, etc. It is important that you use these as they are meant for dermatological use and will give you better results. It is also important to note that after treatment, pimple breakouts may happen in non-treated areas, but the actual treated areas will no longer break out. This kind of acne is usually light and can be part of the recovery process, clearing out all of the bad things as your skin renews itself. Or it can be a normal part of your body's natural cycle. Agnes treatments only clear out the areas you choose to improve. Untreated areas may still have out-of-control sebaceous glands. If you want to treat all problem areas, make sure you tell the doctor this during your consultation. You may also experience some peeling within 1 week of treatment, but again, this is part of the process, and it does not happen in every case. For a free consultation, contact us at Renovo Skin Clinic at gmail.com. And thank you for watching.